Remember that guy who almost killed his son before he was given a ram for sacrifice? Now, without the veil of Christianity covering your eyes, doesn't that sound like some mental illness shit that his son was lucky that he snapped out of? Maybe the guy was sleeping, Baba just rushed, tie Baba up, carrying as they go keep on top pile of firewood. Not at all like that, but anything I see is a potential item for Balos. Very unlikely, but if a tortoise were to stumble into my house, just know that I'm offering it to my Alosi and telling him that I has in my endeavors. Ikukuko, afuiko, and if so here is this chicken butt cheeks of chicken. I'm going to bite a piece and give y'all, and y'all hide our butts so that shame does not come on us. The point being, create exchanges. Mbarito ka amaka. And Ilu Igbo helps because Ilu bu speaking in tongues. Ilu bu the original speaking in tongues. So create exchanges. And the more Ilu you know, right? It does not have to be, or you can do a lot with a few things, right? And less is more. Yeah, something close to my heart. It's the season when people who plant cassava store them in sacks, especially in riverine area, to preserve them. Yeah, Dalo. My uncle is a sacks trader. He is a major pillar in my being grounded in Egommo. I would love to get him some sales. So if you need sacks, buzz me. I'll make the delivery myself. Stream Holy Ezumezu. Holy, holy, holy.